We've recently purchased this 2023 GMC Canyon AT4X Edition 1. Our intention is for this to be our foundation to build kind of an off-road overlanding vehicle for our adventures in the local area here in the Rocky Mountains. This particular vehicle in this trim and configuration came with the rockrails standard, but had not been ordered with the front and rear assist steps. And this rig sets pretty high right out of the factory. We do intend to do a little bit with the suspension to level things up and make it look a little better. Maybe allow it to carry a slightly bigger tire. But today we're going to assemble these assist steps. This is the rear driver's side. Genuine GMC accessory. We got this from the factory. It comes with all the hardware, the clips. And it's pretty simple installation. They're made to be removable, so when you're off-roading you can take them off very easily and you're not going to rip them off on the rocks, so it gives your rock rails an opportunity to do what they're supposed to do. Really simple. Each one of these has 4 bolts. They're size 13 millimeter. You're not supposed to torque them beyond 13 foot-pounds, and so we're going to get them good and snug and see how it rolls. These assist steps are an accessory to this very rock rail. So the rock rails, as you can see, are already pre-drilled, and the assist steps come with these little clips that we're going to bolt them in with. That said, they just need to be positioned right over the hole with the puckered end here. The threads are going to be to the rear of the truck on this and to the rear of the truck on the front bracket as well. And you just got to put it on there with a little bit of force, but once it gets lined up with the hole, you're going to hear this snap right into place. And so that's where it is. Now, to assemble these steps, you've kind of got to rock it down, and you're going to find where these brackets are, and right in front of those brackets, you've got to rock it forward and then back up in. There are a couple of little notches where there's a little tooth that comes in there, fits right into the notch, and really that's as simple as it is. It's always a good idea to put some good anti-seize on your threads of these bolts before you put it in. This particular area is going to be just always getting hammered by the water and the weather, so we want them to be able to be removed down the road. It's really simple. Once again, it's a 13 millimeter. You want to make sure that the step itself is in nice and snug and in place when you tighten them down. You'll know when they're right because they clip. Kind of pops into place. Snaps right in. So the front step is slightly more tricky to put on than the rear. You do have to come in at it from an angle and then slip that up in there. Now I'm tilted down, and once you flatten that out against that bracket, then you're good to go. But you kind of got to come in at an angle, twist it down without hitting your truck, and then bring it down and up and in, and you're good to go. So as we noted before, it didn't take us long, just within a couple of days of owning this rig. You know, we realized that with that added lift that it has, that added height, and the added width that the standard rock rail provides, it's hard to get in and out. And I was really concerned with sliding out over the edge of this seat, and not getting in there and damaging that leather, not getting in there properly. Sliding in and sliding out, and so that was one of the deciding factors in getting this these assist steps. And I'll tell you, oh my goodness, isn't that the bomb? That is a world of difference. I mean, I know it's expensive, but these things are going to change, are a game changer. They're a game changer. I love it.